Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Ripple ecosystem, new partners, news about the ecosystem itself. The SEC has no chance on this, and all about XRP. We are going to do some technical analysis, see what patterns we are. We are going to check how the stocks of XRP are being selling, many news about the NFT ecosystem, and a lot of more things about Ripple. If you are a Ripple fan, you need to see this video until the end. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, a quick TA on Ripple XRP. XRP actually is the token, so XRP. We are at 76 cents at the time of recording, and you can see how we have been rejected here. We pass it a little bit, the chart. Let me zoom a little bit here. We pass it a little bit about the 90 cents, but we come back in the same candle, so we actually didn't break this. And like you can see, this is a descending triangle. We have three basic triangles patterns: ascending triangle, symmetrical triangle, and descending triangle, where we are right now. It could come the price action from the bottom and from the top, so it doesn't matter. But the thing is, you have a plain base here, and the price action starts to create lower highs. And that is where we are since April 2021. We are seeing daily candles. So we have been doing a ping pong inside this triangle from 1 year already. And again, we just hit a top here, so we are continue down. Usually this pattern breaks 65-70% of the time to the downside, so it's a bearish pattern. But we could break and hold support on this trend and then create new all-time highs. Right now, and like I mentioned on the previous video, we need to go above $1. So if we mark $1 there, it would be actually this top that we enter here. Right now we are creating always lower lows. This is the same lower high that here. So we need to go above that. So the bullish scenario is breaking again this yellow trend of the triangle, held the support on the $1 mark, and from there we could start to think more bullishness on XRP price. But for now we are inside the triangle again. We don't trade inside a pattern. So if you want to trade XRP, I recommend you to look for a TA, but in 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. In a daily chart, we don't trade now because we are inside the pattern. So we just need to wait and see what's happened with the price. Of course, at this moment, the only way to be super bullish if the SEC lawsuit finalize in favor of XRP, even having a deal. So that will be the best news for Ripple XRP. If not, then we are going to move what Bitcoin marks on the market. And this news just came up a couple of hours ago. XRP ARMY drives pumper sales in Ripple stock despite the SEC probe. Since launching 2 years ago, the tech equity platform LinqTo has sold 50 million in private shares of Ripple Labs. Accredited investors are falling over themselves to grab pre-IPO equity, inviting cryptocurrency unicorns like BlockFi, Dapper Labs, and Kraken, according to LinqTo, a firm that buys equity in young tech firms before they hit the public markets. But out of a crypto-heavy basket of unlisted company shares, Ripple Labs, creator of the XRP token, is the stock that LinqTo users are buying the most. And why is this important? Well, because all the fact that XRP is having, companies buying shares on Ripple shows they're very confident that they are, that this company will continue growing. And of course, the services that Ripple provide are not all related to the token XRP, but it's a very important part of the whole ecosystem, the ODL. So being bullish on Ripple stocks, buying Ripple stock at this moment that is not near to be public, is a very bullish news for the future of this company. Like you know, Coinbase stock was changing hands on the LinqTo platform at $32 a share just 9 months before it's listed at over 350 according to Rafato. So yeah, buying stocks of company before they are listed on the stock market is a very good strategy. And I would also recommend to do that if you had the chance to enter some shares on Ripple Labs. And in 2020, the CEO Brad Garlin had already mentioned the intentions of a natural evolution for the company to go in public. So yeah, I think this news is very bullish about the XRP and Ripple ecosystem in general. In more bullish news, the Ripple introduces new NFT use cases as winners of 2022 XRPL Hackaton and Folds. So like you know, the ecosystem of NFTs is already being built in XRP using the ledger of XRP. And the Ripple X shares details of winners from the recently concluded XRP NFT DevNet Hackaton and NFT use cases that the developers started building out on the ledger. Ripple X is an open platform for money, enabling developers and entrepreneurs to build payments into their application through XRP ledger. So the results of these hackathon winners are already up and running, and the XRP ledger currently includes built-in native token functionality called XLS20D. Currently, the NFT DevNet, a beta environment that improves XRP ledger's NFT capabilities, is being utilized. Besides the great news of having NFTs on the XRP ecosystem, I think this is a great opportunity to build first one of the major applications in a very growing ecosystem. So you have OpenSea as the major NFT marketplace in Ethereum, for example. Right now is the opportunity for you to go into projects that could fill those needs in the XRP ledger protocol. And you know that Ripple has been given 1 billion XRP in developer grants, so all these ecosystems are being growing exponentially. And if you want to know how Ripple's Creator Fund takes NFT projects to a new heights, I recommend you to read this article. I will put the link on the description. But since the Creator Fund launch, we have received nearly 4,000 applicants that submitted projects focused on NFT use cases across gaming, metaverse, music, entertainment, art, collectibles, and beyond. Some of the Creator Fund recipients to date who are taking their NFT to the next level include XPunks, which it will be the version of CryptoPunks but with the XRP ledger. And you can check here at xpunks.club. So yeah, everything that we have in NFTs on another blockchains and other platforms, I think it will be super great to be early on the XRP ledger. Steven Serving and Justin Bua, among others. So yeah, I think the NFT marketplaces, NFTs, maybe apes NFTs for XRP ledger, all that, it will be super bullish for this ecosystem. And now that we have the experience of another blockchains and platforms, I think it's a very rare opportunity to be early on XRP ledger's NFTs. Before we continue with the video, please take 1 second to like the video. Subscribe to the channel to be up to the news with XRP and Ripple. I always cover these projects and everything on the Ripple ecosystem. And please click the bell so you get all the notifications and you don't miss any of my videos. If you want to see more Ripple stuff, please check the links here and at the end of the video. Let's continue now. And moving into the SEC news, the SEC ordered to submit proposed reductions for in-camera review by April 8 of 2022 following Ripple's request. The court wants to analyze whether the proposed reductions are protected by the DPP before taking a decision. The court has reviewed the SEC's letter requesting leave to redact portions of 4 sets of handwriting notes by the SEC staff. The SEC is ordered to submit its proposed reductions for in-camera review by April 8, 2022. So this is for tomorrow, the court order read. You can check this legal paper on the Twitter of James K. Fillion. And in the upcoming court ruling, if after the court's review and it believes portion of the documents reflects the personal opinion of the staff, then the court will permit the SEC to carry on with the reduction, else the agency request will be declined. While the world still awaits the SEC decision to tender the proposed reductions for an in-camera review, the decision for the motion of reconsideration and the motion to compel the submissions of the extra book notes are still pending. So yeah, the SEC is doing everything that they can in their power to kick the decisions over time and delay everything on this course of action until they have some better strategy. We have been seeing this from December already, how the SEC seems that doesn't have any clear plan to win this lawsuit. So we are most waiting for the Ripple final touch of death on this, but I think we are really close to an ending on this. Anyways, an ending on this, it could still be 6 months, so we need to be patient. But I really think in this year we are going to have that win from Ripple and be prepared, because at that moment I will put a millionaire buy order for XRP. I will leverage like a crazy person with XRP against USDT and be prepared for that moment. And finally, a couple of partnerships from the Ripple side. Ripple partnered with Invert to develop carbon credit solutions. And Invert Inc., an emission and carbon offsetting company, has announced that it has partnered with Ripple to source and invest in carbon credit generation initiatives in order to enable the duo to venture into early investments in these projects. And we know that Ripple is embarking on positive climate efforts. I am not agree what they have been saying about Bitcoin, and they want to upgrade the code to stop proof of work. I think that was a very bad move for Ripple, so I don't endorse that motion. But besides that, being green on crypto is already mandatory, so everything related to that is good for Ripple. And another partner was the unlock of 34 billion cross-border payment market in the Philippines. And in a recent release, IRemit, a non-bank remittances service provider that leverages Ripple's ODL to process Australia to Philippines remittances, has announced a partnership with Velo Labs to unlock 34 billion cross-border payments market in the Philippines. Last year, Novati Group announced joining Ripple's global payment network to tap Ripple's net on-demand liquidity ODL service, leveraging the digital asset XRP for cross-border payments. Ripple and Novati's efforts target first the Australia-Philippines corridor through a partnership with IRemit, the largest Filipino-owned non-bank remittances service provider. So this is huge. More corridors, more ODL progresses. It's absolutely amazing. And to finalize, we have a shift by Ripple's large ODL corridor for 53 million XRP. So moving money on XRP, it has been amazing, the last news of these years. Guys, what do you think about Ripple XRP at this moment? Even the price has been trending down right now. We need to be patient. The news are amazing about the Ripple ecosystem. It's one of the biggest ecosystems on crypto and even has a lot of fall. I think we are in the beginning of something super big for this company. Put your comments below if you are holding XRP, what is your strategy, and please, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.